Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. So last class I completed string methods. Now in this class, string buffer class and what are the methods available in string buffer class and few methods in string buffer class I will complete. So first note down string buffer, few points. So the difference between string and string buffer is mutable. String buffer class is mutable. That is the only difference between string and string buffer class. Whereas string is immutable. Once you declare string type object, it is not possible to change. Whereas in string buffer class, it provides the facility to change. String buffer is mutable. That means changeable. This is the only difference between string and string buffer class. So how to declare string buffer class? The string buffer sp is equal to new string buffer. Okay, all of you know this is a string buffer class name. This is an object name. Any object name you have to give. I am giving here sp and a new key assignment operator. New keyword is used to create an object in Java programming. Everyone know this is a constructor. So constructor name should be same as class name. This is an empty. That means you can store any number of characters. Now see what are the methods available in string buffer class. There are few methods available in string buffer class. Those are append method, insert method, delete method, reverse, set length, set character. So these are the few methods available in string buffer class. The question is what is a string buffer class? So how to declare a string buffer class? Then what are the different methods available in string buffer class? String buffer class is mutable. That means changeable. That means mutable means changeable. You no need to create separate object. Change is maintained in the same object in string buffer class. So how to declare string buffer class? This is a class name space object name, any object name, assignment operator, then new keyword, constructor name. So what are the different methods available in string buffer class? Means there are different methods available in string buffer class: append method, insert method, delete method, reverse, set length method, set character method. Now each and every method I'll explain. Not on first few methods I'll complete in this class. So first method, append method. All are lowercase letters in append method. So as usual, like in string methods, we are writing first point, it is one of the string method. Here we are writing, it is all the 6 methods you have to write, it is one of the string buffer method. It is one of the string buffer method. This is a common point for string buffer methods. Next, append method is used to insert the string at the end of another string. Append method is used to insert the string at the end of another string. So note down, this method is used to insert the string at the end of another string. So it's a return type. Sometimes they will ask return type also. It's a return type is string. Open, BlueJ practically once I'll show. So all the 6 methods I'll execute in a string buffer methods class. Every time you have to take the new class. So type the class name as a string buffer methods. You have to type the class name as append example. Write short notes on append method means you have to write few points, example, and return type also. Or sometimes they'll ask what is the output of the above code. Now string buffer sb is equal to new string buffer. So I'm taking the string as computer. Any string you have to take. And one more string buffer object I'm taking. one more object, that is SB1, new string buffer. This string I am taking as applications. SP dot append SB1. We are appending SB with SB1. System.out.println. Change is maintained in the same object. You no need to create a variable for this one. SP. Compiled. No syntax errors. Sometimes they'll ask what is the output of the above code. Append method is used to insert the string at the end of another string. That means your output is computer applications. No spaces. What is the output of the above code means computer applications. It is used to insert the string at the end of another string. You need any space, then you have to give space here. Compare. If you want space means, otherwise no need. So second method is insert method. Second method is insert method. All lowercase letters insert method. So it is also one of the string buffer method. It is one of the string buffer method. This method is used to insert the string at a specified index position. Wherever you want to insert the string, there it is possible to insert the string. The difference between insert and append method. Append method means it is used to insert the string at the end of another string. Whereas insert method is used to insert the string at specified index position. Wherever you want, it is possible to insert the string. So it's a return type string only. So return type also string only. Don't confuse. The difference between append and insert means append method means at the end of another string. Whereas insert method means it is used to insert the string at specified index position. At wherever you want index position, there it is possible to insert the string. So open your BlueJ once, practically execute. So same class. For example, your string I am changing. Welcome school. This is my string. Here 2 for example. SP dot, what is your method? Insert method. So position is which position you want to add? Index position. Here welcome 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At position 7, I want to add 2. Or at position 8. For example, 8, comma, SP1. Compare. No syntax errors. At position 8, you are adding the string 2. So your output is welcome to school. Compile, no syntax errors, execute. Welcome to school. At position 8, it is adding. So this is a insert method. Next, one more method is there. So note down one more method I will complete. That is delete method. All lowercase letters. So delete method also one of the string buffer method. One of the string buffer method. This method is used to delete the characters. Delete the characters from one index position to another index position. So return type string on. So return type also string on. Delete method is used to delete the characters from one index position to another index position. Its return type is a string. So open once BlueJ. So same class I am executing. You have to take every time new class. So I will delete the character only one string buffer. SB dot delete. I want to delete 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7. 8 onwards I want to delete. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See, 8 to 13. So compare. No syntax errors. We are deleting the characters from one index position to another index position. Delete method is used to delete the characters from one index position to another index position. So output C. So welcome. Here L is there. We are not deleting L. If you want to delete L also, then 14. 8 to 14. Then see the output. Welcome. So these are the three methods in this class. So the next class I will complete with the remaining three methods. Those are reverse, set length, and set caret methods. Thank you.